AirSeven is a Danish charter airline operated under Copenhagen Air Taxi's Air Operator Certificate. It's owned by the Danish tour group Primo Tours. AirSeven offers holiday charter, ad hoc charter, and ACMI leasing services with focus on tourist charters. It was founded in 2020 during the COVID-19 pandemic. The airline is based at Roskilde Airport. On the 3rd of December, AirSeven received its first two 737-400 aircraft, with the registration OYASA and OYASB, dating from 1990 and 1992 respectively. Both planes are equipped with seating for 168 passengers. 2 years later, on the 20s, no, 2 years later, in December of 2022, AirSeven acquired their first 737-800, registered OYASD, in an effort to replace the older 737-400 models, leased from the Air Lease Corporation. OYASD was previously stored at one direct airbase before being delivered to AirSeven. OYASD had previously been owned by Norwegian National and Ukraine International Airlines. As a virtual airline, AirSeven outsources most of its functions and operations to third-party providers by operating charter flights and leasing planes for individual flights rather than establishing scheduled routes. The fleet is being operated by Copenhagen Air Taxi. AirSeven's fleet consists of 3 aircraft as of May 2024. 3 Boeing 737-800s with the registrations OYASD, OYASE, and OYASF. All of these planes are equipped with 186 seats. AirSeven's past fleet, The AirSeven fleet's average age is 15 years of age as of May 2024. AirSeven's past fleets includes 3 Boeing 737-400s with seats for 168 passengers. The registration of these aircraft is OYASA, OYASB, and OYASC. And that's all. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.